Welcome back to another National Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about agency relationships. More specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. Under which of these listing agreements can owners of listed property sell the property on their own without having to pay the listing broker a commission? Open listing and exclusive agency listing. In an exclusive agency listing, one brokerage is authorized to represent the seller. But if the seller finds the buyer themselves, they don't owe the brokerage a commission. In an open listing, the seller can work with multiple brokers at the same time. Only the broker who is the procuring cause of the sale gets paid. In an exclusive right to sell listing, the broker gets paid no matter who sells the property, even if the seller finds the buyer. A seller has sold property to a neighbor without the services of a real estate broker. However, the seller still owes the broker a commission because the seller signed an exclusive right to sell listing. In an exclusive right to sell listing, the broker earns a commission no matter who sells the property, even if the seller finds the buyer. In an exclusive agency and open listing, the seller can sell the property themselves and avoid paying a commission. An option listing allows the broker to buy the property themselves under the terms of this agreement. A seller has listed a property under an exclusive agency listing with a broker. If the seller sells the property personally during the term of the listing to someone who learns about the property through the seller will owe the broker no commission. In an exclusive agency listing, the broker only earns a commission if they bring the buyer. If the seller finds the buyer, no commission is owed. Only in the exclusive right to sell listing does the broker earn a commission no matter who sells the property during the listing period. A salesperson working with a commercial client for the first time follows the client's orders and drafts a contract for purchase of a small strip center. Which of these is true? The salesperson is illegally practicing law and most likely not competent. Real estate professionals cannot practice law. Drafting contracts from scratch is considered the practice of law and is not allowed. This rule applies even if the client asks for it or if it's a commercial transaction. Only licensed attorneys can draft documents. A real estate agent acting as a single agent owes either fiduciary or statutory duties to any of these except a customer. In single agency, the agent represents only one party in the transaction, either the buyer, seller, landlord, or tenant. The agent owes fiduciary duties like loyalty and confidentiality only to that client. The other party in the transaction is considered a customer, not a client, and is not owed fiduciary duties. All right, this was 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we drop a new video every week to help you pass your national real estate exam.